Welcome to the LimoExpress Driver App. We'll start with the main dashboard, which provides a quick overview of all upcoming reservations. Scrolling down, you'll find key statistics for today's scheduled rides. To create a new reservation, simply tap the Reservation button. You can choose between a transfer or hourly rent. Next, assign a driver and a vehicle and set the specific date and time. From here, you can input the pickup location, pricing, currency, and payment method. You also have the option to set a driver commission. If you're working with a hotel or partner, you can select the specific client here. You can also mark a ride as mandatory, which prevents the driver from declining it. Additional options include round-trip toggles, flight numbers, and a welcome sign for airport pickups. You can also add specific notes for the driver, like special guest requests, as well as notes for the dispatcher. The app allows you to specify details like the number of baby seats, luggage count, and a confirmation until deadline. You can also attach files such as images or documents directly to the reservation. On the next screen, enter passenger details like email and phone number to finalize the booking. In the reservation section, you can view all bookings. Managers have full visibility of all drivers, while drivers see only their assigned tasks. You can switch between a standard list view and a calendar view for better scheduling. By clicking on a specific reservation, you can update its status. For example, marking a ride as started, or view the exact route between locations. The app provides real-time flight tracking, allowing drivers to stay updated on delays without wasting time at the airport. Statuses include started, arrived, passengers on board, done, and no show, keeping every step of the journey clearly organized. For airport pickups, the meet and greet feature displays a digital welcome sign on the driver's phone, replacing traditional paper signs. From the options menu, you can edit or cancel reservations, forward them via affiliate networks or Gannett, or generate a public booking link for clients. This white-labeled link shows them the route, driver details, and real-time location. You can also print full reservation details. Reservations come with a wide range of options and advanced filters. The app includes dedicated modules for tracking expenses, managing employee working logs, check-in, check-out, and a live driver map showing active locations. Notifications keep you updated on driver status and new bookings in real time. In the profile section, you can manage team members and assign roles. Managers have full control. They can edit reservations, assign drivers and vehicles, and manage all aspects of the operation. Drivers are focused on completing rides and do not have permission to edit or modify reservations. Dispatchers have access only to the web platform, where they can create and manage reservations, but they do not use the driver app. External associates can be assigned to specific rides for internal tracking purposes, but they do not have access to the driver app. Finally, you can customize the app with support for 15 languages, enable GPS tracking, and set automated reminders sent 24 hours, 6 hours, and 1 hour before each ride to ensure everything runs smoothly.